What's up, everyone? And in this video, we're going to talk about the relative strength index. That's the RSI, how to use it and how to not use it, right? So let's get into it. As you guys know, the market only moves three ways: up, down, and sideways. So higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows is an uptrend. Lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs is a downtrend. When you're using the RSI, not one indicator. It is my favorite indicator, but not just one indicator you should use to enter trades, right? So you shouldn't just use one indicator to enter trades. You need to use a conjunction of 3 or 4. However, if you're on an uptrend, you want to enter when the RSI is oversold. You want to enter buys to ride it going up, right? And if you're on a downtrend, you want to enter puts when the RSI is overbought, right? So lower low, lower high, overbought. This is where you'd enter puts. So let me go on the chart and just show you an example from a bullish perspective, then a bearish perspective, right? So this is, let's get on Apple's chart. This is Apple chart on the 1 week. So if I go forward, the larger the time frame, the stronger the confirmation. If I go forward, we're gonna forward test this together. First of all, this is my RSI. This is my RSI settings. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Where is it? Well, my RSI settings is at RSI 5. Actually, here it is, just popped up. So RSI length 5. The usual length for the RSI is 14, but I have 5 because it tracks the price much cleaner. Style, I would take off the MA band, which is that extra line, the RSI MA band, and just focus on the RSI alone to show me overbought, oversold conditions. So on the 1 week, if you came on Apple, this strategy works well with companies like Apple, right? Especially on the weekly time frame, because when good companies are oversold on the RSI, they get bought up quickly. So we're oversold right here, we're below 30. If you entered a buy, you'd have made money going up. We came down here, oversold. If you entered a buy, you'd made money going up. We came down here, oversold. If you entered a buy, you'd have made money going up, right? And this is basically an uptrend. So you want to enter buys to ride the uptrend, right? Because the uptrend is a bullish trend. So in bullish trends, buyers are in control. You don't want to look for sells, right? So as we go higher, every time the RSI go oversold, you see that you make money. Oversold, we make money. Oversold, we make money. Everything is in line straight down, right? Even on a slight downtrend, look, oversold, you still make money. Oversold, you still make money, right? So that's one example. This is the larger time frame. The RSI works perfect on the 15-minute and the 5-minute time frames as well. So the larger time frame, the longer time the trade takes to play out, and the smaller time frame is just a quicker trade. So just day trading. But this is just a clear example. That's why I'm using the weekly. So on a bearish trend, let's look how you use the RSI on the bearish trend, right? So this is the S&P 500, 1 hour. I'm going to go on the S&P 500 1 week chart, just to show you because it's a clear downtrend on it, right? So take these off. We broke. This is a head and shoulders pattern that started the bear trend. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We broke the head and shoulders pattern, so we made a lower low. We made a lower high. When we made that lower high and the RSI is overbought, which is above 70, which is above this dotted line, that's when you look to enter sells. So boom, you'd enter sells in a bearish condition. RSI is overbought, sell. Overbought, sell, right? Because the bears are strong. Look, overbought right here. It didn't even get to overbought. Sell. Up there, sell, right? So even if you're looking to make entries when we're oversold, you can exit when we come to overbought, right? Example. This is Google again. This is on the 1 day time frame. You entered when we're overbought. We wrote it up. As soon as we get oversold right here, you take it and exit, get out the trade. When we get oversold again, right here, you take another entry, right up again, overbought, get out, right? So that's how you use the RSI. This is a good uptrend for Google. So as you see, we're making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So every time the RSI gets oversold and you buy it, you'll make money because that's an uptrend. Let me go over to where the downtrend is in Google. Lower low, lower high, right here. Overbought, you would sell. Lower low, lower low, lower low, lower high. This is overbought right here again. You would sell at this overbought because it's a downtrend. This is a downtrend. So the overboughts make more money once you sell at the tops, right? Sell at the top, overboughts. On an uptrend, the oversold will make more money. This is when Apple is on an uptrend. Rewind. Oversold, easy money. Oversold, easy money. Oversold, easy money. So now, when I say use the RSI in conjunction with other indicators, I mean an example like this. My Fibonacci, I put it from the swing low of this move to the swing high. One confirmation, the RSI is oversold, right? Two confirmation, we're at the 61.8 fib level. Three confirmation, we're holding support turned resistance right here. This was a resistance rejected, and we broke the resistance and now hold it as support. So let's recap. RSI oversold, we're at the 61.8 fib level, and we're holding prior resistance as support. That's three. So now let me give you a fourth confirmation to enter a trade. This right here is a bullish engulfing candle and engulf the previous candle. That means the buyers are strong. So that's a fourth confirmation for me to enter. This is a high probability buy trade, and I use the RSI to help me, right? So let's go on a lower time frame. This is the 15-minute. Look, RSI oversold, we went up. This is a slight uptrend right here on the S&P 500. Let me take this off. Higher high, higher low, oversold, bought, make money. Oversold, bought, make money, right? Higher high, higher low. Oversold, a quick buy up and still made money. Oversold, if you bought right here oversold, you'd make money. And this is not even a strong uptrend. This is a slight uptrend. Slight, because when you go on the 15-minute time frame, you got to trade what the trend is. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It's an uptrend. On the 4-hour time frame, it's not an uptrend, obviously. The overall trend. Well, on the 4-hour time frame, this little area is still an uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But the overall trend, when you come on to the daily, is going to show you that the S&P 500 and the overall trend of the market, the stock market, is down. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? I hope this video helps somebody. You can use the RSI on the 5-minute time frame, the 15-minute time frame, any time frame you use it on. Just remember the higher time frame, only difference is time. So you'd use it on the 1 week and the 4-hour for swing trading. And for day trading, you'd use it on the 50-minute, 5-minute, and the 1-hour time frames. Hope this video helps someone. Thanks for watching. See you in the other videos.